Hey folks, how are you doing? It's nice to have you back on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make money by trading binary options. So do watch this video up to the end. In the description to the video, you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions. Besides, you will find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Send me a direct message in my private Telegram channel and get my personal link for PocketOption registration, which will give you a 50% bonus on your deposit. And now, let's go to PocketOption and get down to trading. Today, we're working with the Australian dollar Japanese yen currency pair. My risk is minimal. I'm trading with only 3.5% of my initial deposit. Candlesticks on the chart correspond to 30 seconds of real time, and I open a down trade for 1 minute with $300 in. I'm making my decisions according to the Williams percent range indicator, whose lines are in the overbought zone. It is leaving it, crossing the level of 20, which is a signal about a possible decline in price. Also today we use the ZIGZAG indicator, but I warn you, it does not predict further price behavior and only displays their behavior in the past. The ZIGZAG indicator is used to get clear information about significant changes and major trends. The chart shows that the ZIGZAG highlighted the highest point of the chart, after which the price began to decline. And our trade goes easily and naturally, and its time is running out. There it is. That's right, we get the first profit of $261 for today. We will continue and we will find another entry point into the next trade. The price makes small fluctuations and rises to the average line of the downtrend indicator. I open a down trade for 1 minute with $300 in. At the same time, I took into account that despite the growth of price, the line of the Williams percent range indicator trended to a horizontal position, which is a signal of a possible price reversal. The ZIGZAG indicator also remained in the same place, which means that the lowest point of the chart has not been reached yet, and the downtrend will continue. On the chart, we see that the price, after making the trade, continues an insignificant growth. Upward movements are very difficult to achieve at this moment, and as a result, the price begins an active decline. Very quickly, the price ends up in the lowest half of the downtrend indicator, but then the decline slows down. The ZIGZAG indicator marks the lowest point of the chart, and here we go, the trade brings in another $261. You can continue. The price reduction has stopped, but it's just not for long. Price is falling, and I open a down trade for 1 minute with $300 in. I made this decision taking into account the change of the lowest point of the ZIGZAG indicator as the price decreased. The line of the Williams percent range indicator at the moment are in the oversold zone and still heading down, but this is a signal about a possible price decline. As you can see from the chart, the decline continued and the ZIGZAG indicator followed the price. Having reached the lower limit of the downtrend indicator, the price began to make quite active fluctuations. And then it reverses and begins to move upwards, turning the candle green. It couldn't get closer to the entry point. The trade's closing. There it is, $261 are added to our balance. Now, let's wait for the situation to enter the trade with the least risks. Price continued to actively grow, but the average line of the downtrend indicator is slower down, and I open a down trade for 1 minute with $300 in. This decision was influenced by the behavior of the price in the area of the average line of the downtrend indicator 3 minutes ago, where, with the last growth of price, there was strong resistance from sellers who were able to take the price down. As you can see on the chart, the situation repeats and the price could not overcome the resistance and pulled back down. But this time, buyers do not want to give up, and as a result, we see the price fluctuations that have begun. The new candle, after opening, continues a steady decline in price, almost without noticing the actions of buyers. The decline in price has once again stopped. We're looking, yes, due to the reduction of the payout percentage by 1% to 86%, we earned $258. Now we're observing again and waiting for a suitable entry point into the trade. The price tends to move to the average line of the downtrend indicator, but there is a rebound. I open an up trade for 1 minute with $300 in. The decision was made based on the Williams percent range indicator. Despite the rebound, what's closer to its lines are looking upward, which is a clear signal of a possible price increase. Also, I took into account that after the lowest point is set by the ZIGZAG indicator, the price is growing and they will continue until the highest point of the chart appears, so to which the ZIGZAG will create a new line. And this time we have determined everything correctly, and as we see, the price fully meets our expectations. As the growth continues, the ZIGZAG indicator draws a new line, defining the current level as the highest point of the uptrend. Now, the trend may reverse. We see a decrease. Yes, the trade is closed. Payments were again reduced by 1% to 85%, which is why this trade, the profit was $255. That's all for today. The trading session is over. Now we will find out its outcome. Today I made 5 successful trades and earned $1,296 in a matter of 8 minutes of real time that I spent trading. I showed you how to secure successful trades with the ZIGZAG indicator, which is indispensable for trend trading fans. And when you use it in combinations with other indicators, it is much easier to enter trades. But it is essential that you carefully assess the market situation before entering a trade. I recommend using indicators, for this helps reduce the risk and make a profit in the long term. I would like to encourage you guys to keep trading binary options because, as we can see, the analysis techniques are super simple here. And before we say goodbye, in the description to the video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And more, if you direct message me on my private Telegram channel, you will get a personal link to the PocketOption registration, which will give you a whopping 50% bonus to your deposit for free. Now, dear friends, this is a pretty nice offer. And I do hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for being with me all this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. That's about all for today. Good luck in the market. Take care, folks, and see you soon in the next video.